Here at BRECOflex, we have your back. This backing is PVC Blue. PVC Blue has a hardness of 65 Shore A and a coefficient of friction of 1. Note that friction is relative to the material and weight of the product being conveyed. PVC Blue is glue bonded to the timing belt with a strong industrial adhesive using a butt joint. It is generally not machinable and cannot be ground to in-between thicknesses. PVC Blue has a standard thickness of 1 mm, but thicknesses up to 6 mm are available upon request. The recommended minimum pulley diameter is 30 mm at a 1 mm thickness. PVC Blue offers increased friction and good wear resistance for no-slip conveying. It is recommended for the general transport of materials such as glass, wood, sheet metal, paper, textiles, cardboard, and is suitable for wet areas. It offers limited resistance to solvents, oils, and greases, but is resistant to acids and bases. It has a temperature range of 15 degrees Celsius to 90 degrees Celsius, or minus 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 194 degrees Fahrenheit. BRECOflex offers dozens of backings for a multitude of conveying applications. If you need assistance finding the best backing for your application, you can download our catalog at www.BRECOflex.com or contact us for engineering support at 732-460-9500. Thanks for watching.